some of the players actually lacked experience in the previous encounters, and by consistently participating over the past 3 events, I think some of the players have actually gotten the experience that they need and the character that we've been trying to build in them, because at this stage you can be talented, but if you don't have the character, if you don't have the heart, you won't get the results required. So I believe players have been helped to try and become mentally strong to be able to face the competition at this level. And I believe we have a good team, and I've been really happy with the progress that the players are making within the short time and over time, over the leagues.
Where I would start from is with the training sessions we've been having, 11 days, we've been training every day, and most of us come from different teams. So the reason why we had to actually come train every day, each single day of the week, is because we have to learn how to blend with each other, because most of us come from different teams. But I'm confident and strong enough because I believe in my team. Why I believe in my team is because, first of all, some of the old players who are in the team have been at this Zone 5 championship before, and now they know what to expect. And secondly, we also have the young girls who represented Uganda in the under-18 Zone 5 that was hosted by Kampala, and they actually won. So with the combination of the old players and the new players, and with the blending we've been experiencing at the practice, we will definitely have a good show to put up.